In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Tangem Wallet. So it's actually quite simple. First, open up your Coinbase app on your mobile device, and then go to Home down here, so bottom left, and then tap on Crypto, which is over here. Now once you tap on that, you'll see an option to click Transfer over here down at the bottom, looks like this, and then you will have to press Send Crypto. So you want to, of course, send crypto to Tangem Wallet. Now press Send Crypto, and from here you'll have to search for your crypto. So type in XRP, and then once you type that in, you may have to select a network. If it prompts you to select a network, look for network which is called Ripple. If Ripple is not on the list, just go to Google and Google what you should send XRP with. So just type in XRP network and they'll show you what to do. So if it doesn't ask you to select a network, then don't worry about it. You can just skip this step. Next, you'll be able to, of course, select the network and then click over here where you will see the bar where you can enter in your XRP address. It says Ethereum over here for me, but for you it will say XRP address, and that's it, okay? So what you then want to do is actually, of course, get the Tangem XRP address. And the way you get this is by opening up your Tangem wallet, and then under tokens, you want to look for XRP. Once you find XRP, click on it, and then from here it will show your balance of XRP. You want to click receive. Now once you click receive, the procedure from here on is actually very simple. Easily, you will have to just click receive, and then after that, you will essentially get the access to your code, and that code you will have to just copy. So copy that address and paste it into here where it says your XRP address. Now from here you'll have to select how much you would like to send, and then you'll have to preview it and just click accept or confirm, and via that your XRP will be on the way from your Coinbase wallet to your Tangem wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.